A single best chart, and this is important, and I need to tell you a little bit about Mickey Levy. Mickey Levy is dedicated decades to thinking about the history, the scope, and the scale of our Federal Reserve system. There's a talk within the United Kingdom of a shadow government in this. We talk about a shadow Fed, and he's part of a shadow open market committee. Here's a Taylor rule. Up it is. We've never seen so far from orthodoxy. Dr. Levy, what kind of chairman would you suggest President Trump wants?
I think he's going to want somebody who's consistent with the Trump economic team. By that, I mean somebody who believes in economic growth, moderate inflation. And if I had to think about a spectrum when we think about new Fed members, I'm not thinking about from dovish to hawkish. That's just...
Okay, bring up this banner right here. This is not Crosby, Stills, Nash. This is maybe three names that you look at here. Taylor, Hubbard, and good friend. We don't have time to go into who these people are, other than what's important here is Trump a Rockefeller Republican who wants growth, 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 or he's going to be like these three guys where he wants a little bit of rules and a little bit of conservatism? I don't buy it for a minute.
Well, great point, Tom, because we really don't know what Trump wants. Each of those three top potential candidates you mentioned, boy, are they stellar thinkers. Now, the perspective I would think is they want a little more rules, but not rigid ones. They're going to look at the inflation-adjusted funds rate, which is still negative, a $4.5 trillion portfolio. And let me add a critical point here. Is there any reason why the Fed should be holding MBS? I would say each one of those potential candidates would look at that and say, why should the Fed be skewing itself, being involved in credit markets and skewing credit to favor housing over other industries? These are the types of broader issues that this new Federal Reserve system and leaders are going to be looking at.
And we will possibly see that earlier into next year as well.